Master Yu, if I keep training like this, can I become an executioner like you?
An executioner. An executioner is the highest rank a Jungsung can achieve. Most Dokubi don't last long enough to advance from the lowest rank. And once you're an apprentice, you'll have to forge a weapon that can withstand the ki of an executioner. It's almost impossible. Only 5 executioner weapons exist today. Suffice to say, it's not an easy path. Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Why do you want to be an executioner, son?
I want to be strong enough to keep my family. No, Mr. Jiang and all the others too. I want to keep everyone safe.